going to show you a quick tip on how to do CSS selectors. First, using Chrome, most people know that you can already right-click on something and choose to inspect it. The web developer tools will open up, and you'll be able to see the HTML that's emitted. What if you wanted to know how to target it, and you're not very familiar with how to write your own selector? Chrome makes that easy by right-clicking. You can find Copy, and then copy the selector. If you paste that, you can see what the selector would be. What if it was more complicated? Because that one was just an ID. I'm going to inspect one of these flags for the localization and choose to copy the selector for this one. As you can see, this is a much more complicated selector that you would have to work with. In some cases, you might want to add an ID or a class name. It would make it easier to do the selection, but if you're working with a platform of some kind, it may not be as easy. I hope this helps.